Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. That really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description if you want to check it out, see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is a rolling cooler by a company called BAZZNS. This is a really cool thing because you get the cooler itself and this nice little hand card. So I haven't opened the cooler. As you can see, it collapses nice and flat packed. I wanted to show it to you like this before I open it up. But let's go over the hand card. So first off, this thing can extend up to 32 inches. So it's got a nice little different notches if you want to have it here or all the way extended. So this thing can also pack nice and flat. There's all these little buttons. So there's a button right here you can press and pull out the handle. And then same thing with the wheels. There's a little button you can press and then just pull them out. Then push them back in, press the button, make sure they're all nice and secure. So it makes it really great for storage and basically putting down nice and compact. Now let's go over the cooler itself. Because as you can see, the cooler is nice and compact, also for storage. And it has these Velcro straps. You just simply undo them like so. And then fold it out. There is a nice little hard piece right here, which you are going to put in the bottom. Now, once you have that all nice and secure, you can see it has a very nice interior here that is 100% waterproof. So you can fill this with water and ice. If this thing is full of ice, it's going to keep your beverages cold pretty much almost all day, easily a nice 18 hours, which is really, really nice. It can also hold up to 48 cans. So it's quite large when it comes to the size. On the top here, you'll notice it has this adjustable piece here, which is great for if you're taking this to the beach. Then you can put like some beach towels up there at the top, which is really nice also. And then in the front here, you have additional pockets for like sunscreen, whether you want to bring other snacks and whatnot, you have that option too. This completely unfolds like so. And then it includes a removable bottle opener. So if you want to attach this to one of the zippers, you can do that also. And then along the back here, it has another little zipper that you can put in like stuff that you want to keep more like hidden. And then there's this little piece right here. This is what's going to slide over the arms here and keeps this nice and secure to your cooler. And then you can actually strap it in the bottom here. So they have these little like clips which go in these little slots down here at the bottom. So they think about everything about utilizing this, which is really, really great. It also has a handle at the top in case you don't want to bring the hand cart with you. You can basically use the handle to carry the cooler if you wish. So we'll zip it all up here so you can get an idea of what it looks like here. So when it's all nice and secured here with your handle, you got the little strap here at the top for a towel. You've got the side pockets that you can put more stuff in. You've got this back pocket, and then you have the front pocket and this other pocket. So you have lots of storage options for you, which is really nice. And then you have, of course, the main cooler itself, which can hold up to those 48 cans. But yeah, this is a really great for sporting events, taking to the beach, etc. And because coolers get heavy, these have the wheels for you, which makes it easy. And the wheels are 360 degrees, so they're easy to maneuver whenever you're utilizing and carrying it around. Overall, if you are looking for a cooler that is great for travel, totally worth checking this one out. I do highly recommend it. Yeah, and that's basically it. If there is something that I missed that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that's it. Until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later.
Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.